Be interesting to see like two identical. See what?
Damn, Dragonfly did not move out of the way.
Okay, so where's this guy from? What's his name?
His name is Nathan.
Nathan, like Nathan Hot Dogs. All right.
Yeah. So originally from Florida, but a couple months ago he moved to New York.
That's definitely different.
Yeah, maybe he's got family up there.
Yeah, it could be.
Ooh, my back is getting sweaty with this backpack.
I got somebody to cover on call, so I didn't have to bring my backpack.
Lucky.
Nice. I f***ing love cruise control.
I rarely use it, but like, and I don't know what to do with my right hand when it's on.
I'm not sure what to do with my hands.
Be good just to hold them down by your side. Yeah, great.
Rest it on your knee, bro. Let people know when they drive next to you. Oh, look at that. He's got cruise control. If they even know.
Yeah, only other bikers would know.
Yeah. Yep.
Act like you're whipping a horse. Yeah.
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 Sweaty back. Sweaty back.
Someone dyes their hair different colors, like blue, green, purple. There's something wrong with that person.
Not necessarily.
Yeah.
What color did you dye your hair, Wes?
Red. Done black and blonde.
I've bleached my hair and I've dyed it black.
I did that shit in like high school. Like I had the frosted tips whenever that was a thing.
Oh, hell yeah.
Yo, Eminem, baby, what's up?
That's right. No, frosted tips, not M&M bleach.
It became frosted after the hair grew out.
Yeah, I did full-on blonde and had like, you know, that like kind of surfer cut, like shaggy, like I don't know, past like the ears or like the jawline kind of.
Right. Dude, apparently Bagel King has a really good like peanut butter and jelly bagel that Justin swears by.
Can I put dead animal in there?
Bagel
like
King?
bacon?
Why are you gonna say it like that? Dead animal. I mean, it is what it is, but it just sounds terrible.
I like dead
Can you imagine
animal
if like you went to a restaurant and you're like, I'll have the dead animal 12-ounce New York strip, please? Like you had to, any protein you had to like preface with dead animal?
Yes.
Douchebag Mercedes.
What happened?
In formation with you guys, and he just like cuts me out.
I guarantee you he does not ride a motorcycle.
Yeah. Still like, just let off the gas for 2 seconds. Give me the gap, and that's it. Looked super young. He was probably like 19 maybe.
Oh man, if he's 19 driving a Mercedes, this is his road. You know, you rotate around him, bro. He's the son.
I should have bought him some Jaeger bombs.
Exactly. Jaeger bombs. Jaeger bombs.
Jaeger bombs. Jaeger bombs. Jaeger bombs. Jaeger bombs.
All right, man, let's scoot closer. Don't be afraid of it. It's not gonna bite. Maybe. 3, 2, 1.
Let me ride next to my boy. Is this the first time we rode together? No, it's not.
We have.
Oh, what's that noise you do, Justin?
I'm so glad you changed your badges, Justin.
Thanks.
Come ahead.
As we go on, we remember all the times we spent together.
Okay, so why didn't he ride the bagger? The bagger?
It's not registered. No tag.
Oh, come on. We rode back from Georgia, blocking the Raptor.
Yeah, I didn't know it was illegal at the time. We're lucky we made it all the way from Georgia. I think the only reason we didn't get pulled over is because we drove back at night.
Yeah. Ignorance is no excuse.
I know. We would have gotten pulled over. I would have been like, oh, I thought it was legal. And they'd have been like, nope, your shit's impounded. I'd be like, we can't get home now. Thanks for coming on this journey, Eric.
Yeah, word. I'll sleep in jail.
Yeah.
They probably wouldn't impound it if he like had the bill of sale and like whatnot.
He did.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would imagine most would be understanding.
Yeah, you'd probably get a ticket, maybe. But I doubt they would go as far as impounding it.
So Anna, you like the FTR?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the only Indian I'll ever buy.
Very fun.
Prove it.
How many times are we doing this roundabout?
Twice.
I'm good.
Don't forget we got the guy following us, so.
Yeah, don't do it. Don't do it.
He's following us, he'll figure it out.
Boss said no. The boss
Oh,
said
man.
no. I hear him scraping though.
Chris is scraping that shit.
I'd be scraping if I had stock floorboards too, but my cross threads, nah.
Don't forget that bike's also lifted like an inch, like from the factory.
Yeah, I'll probably run out of tire.
I think the only bike I've scraped was the Bull.
Damn, that thing was easy as hell to scrape.
Oh, was
I
it?
feel
That's probably
bad.
why, because I'm not that good.
All you had to do was think about leaning and it would scrape.
Oh,
They did it back too. Oh,
yeah, it's like.
oh, he was smiling really big.
No?
Not impressed.
You don't want none? Alright. It's too bad.
It's like the goofy motorcycle crew.
Hey.
Does it have to be double armed? That's like optimal.
Yeah.
Yes, right?
Why so serious?
Eric's channeling his inner wacky waving inflatable arm flailing tube man.
Wacky waving inflatable arm flailing tube man. Wacky waving inflatable arm flailing tube man.
You're right. Damn right.
All right, guys, we're at the station. The station. It's like literally an old firehouse. Pretty crazy. As everybody looks around, like, is it? Yeah, I'm okay. So apparently they got some bomb buffalo chicken wraps, which Anna got, Wes vouched for, the waitress talked about, so I ordered it too. So we got Nathan here with us, the winner of the motorcycle. Yay! Since apparently we should advertise it, if you come hang out and win a motorcycle, you get to eat lunch with us too. So, if you can pick the bike up. Yeah.
We wanted a picture for our testimonial, so like tell people like, hey, we actually do give these bikes. And he like would respond at first, and then eventually he just like didn't respond at all.
Oh, wait, we were supposed to switch on the way back.
Oh yeah.
I mean, if you still want to. I don't know.
Yeah, we can.
All right.
The next roundabout, you sound so Chris somehow. Pull over!
I can't hear you.
Over.
I can't pull over anymore.
I can't pull over any farther!
I'm already pulled over. I'm ready to pull over.
Pull over farther, man.
I can't pull it. Sir, I'm already pulled over.
He's already pulled over!
Wait, are we not going this way?
Yeah, we are.
Okay. I was thinking it doesn't have a quick shifter either. That's weird.
I did the monkey hands to the old lady. She laughed.
You know, when I come take lead, I don't know where I'm going.
Nope, it's all on you, bro. Sorry. You're going to the water.
Well.
Go to the water tower on the right over there.
You just gotta
Look to your right. Go to the water tower.
Let the spirit of your ancestors guide you.
What? We're just gonna go straight through this grass.
Do you paint with all the colors of the wind, bro?
Oh my god, why are you stopping? There's nobody coming.
No, they don't understand how
Yield
what
works.
yield means. Yeah.
Cards are stacked against you, Wes.
Are you braking? What are you braking? Oh, right, the table.
Glad you said that because I was accelerating right towards you guys.
I was like, why is this person putting on their brake lights? Oh yeah, the little speed table back there.
Did you call it a speed table?
Yeah.
That's what those are called.
You mean a sweet jump?
I thought it was called a speed hump.
That was me in prison.
Wow.
Speed hump?
Oh my god.
It's prison name.
Those guards rotate quick, you gotta get it done.
Wow. What were you in for?
I got nothing.
Well, now your joke sucks because you don't have a supporting story.
I mean, which time?
I don't know. Whenever you got dubbed speed hump.
Which time?
Chris repped and it was like a fart in the wind. I mean, I'm right there with him, but
Listen to this stock Harley sewing machine.
yeah,
Dude, I think we all got stock exhaust right now, actually.
you're right.
Oh wow.
Weird.
We're a bunch of
Stock club.
lamos.
It's so fun to ride different bikes, you know?
Yeah.
It is. It really is.
Motorcycles are just so cool.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, it's alright.
Watch out. Get ready for them to stop. Get ready for them to stop, Wes.
Oh yeah, look at my gap. I'm aware. So this one's understandable because there's a car coming. You don't know if they're going or not.
Sorry. Bye.
Oh,
Bye, Wes.
I'm waiting for you guys.
Oh, it's a nice slippy piece of plastic to put my foot down on.
You got 2 MTs and 2 STs.
MTSTs. Sounds like a Star Wars thing.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we were just coming back from lunch. One of the things he was talking about was feedback on how whenever he won the bike, nobody thought it was real. Family, a couple of family members, insurance guy. Right. What were they saying?
Well, wife thought it was real, but insurance and the rest of my family, they all thought it was fake. So I tried getting insurance on the bike right away, so I was ready and prepared. And you know, he was looking up the website. He's like, I don't know. How do you know these guys are real? How do you know they're legit?
You've been watching us for 5 years.
Yeah, easily. And I felt like I knew you guys more than I knew most people. So
right.
I definitely knew it was happening and it was real. So waiting for you guys to give me the heads up that it's almost ready, and you know, let's figure out a way to get it. Yeah, it looks totally different. It's a totally different feeling. Seeing it in person, being around it, being here, being with you guys. It's definitely kind of a surreal moment for me, for sure.
Awesome, man.
You guys don't really leave anything out, which is awesome.
Yeah.
So it makes viewers like me really feel like I know you guys, and you know, we kind of get to get in on your day-to-day. And
can I borrow your bike?
You can.
I'm all with friends now.
Definitely cool to be able to hang out with you guys, grab lunch, and see that you guys are, you know, real people, real down to earth, and no different than the rest of us.
Awesome, dude. Thank you, sir. Appreciate you, man.
No problem.
You have the trailer connection, the balls?
Grab yours and we'll bring it just in case, but I got a 2-inch ball. I got the same one we used on your car trailer for the car.
Okay.
And I believe that's a 2-inch ball.
If you got a 2-inch ball, you should probably get that checked for cancer.
Wow. Who knew it was going there? I've got the 3 balls in the hook. I should definitely get checked.
We got 100 miles of range. We're good. I got half a tank. All right, I love you guys. I'll see you later.
Later.
Thanks for hanging. See you in the morning.
I'll see you in the morning. What time do you want me at your house?
9 a.m.
I'll be there at 8:30.
Just because you're further away doesn't mean you have to yell.
Sheesh, them legs though.
Thank you, thank you.
I don't know if that was a good sheesh, but
right? It's a serious sheesh.
Sheesh.
Bro, people in traffic in between us are probably like, what the f?